What's up, everybody? Your keen sense of sight and your beautiful eyes may have noticed this isn't my car, and you'd be correct. I Grand Theft Auto'd this while my car is at the exhaust shop getting the high flow cats put on, so I'll make a quick video of that when I get the car back, and I'll show you. And right now I'm a little worried because, like, I don't know what it's gonna sound like. What if it sounds bad? What if it's too loud and obnoxious? I really just don't know yet. Also, this is my new phone, and peep this wide-angle lens. Yeah, this phone has 5 cameras. I would do like a quick advertisement on it, but Samsung's not paying me, so there's that. I'm just on my way to work right now for a little bit, and I'm gonna make a little bit of money back since I'm spending money today on the cars, so yeah. I guess I'll pick this video back up when I pick up my car, so I'll catch you in a second. What is up, everybody? Alright, back in the Camaro, obviously. And first impressions, at idle, the high flow cats, it sounds about the same. I'll say it's a little bit louder. The sound is generally the same, I think. I'll have to kind of compare it, maybe do a side-by-side comparison like I did in my other videos. But when I get on the gas, it's definitely a little bit louder. I haven't really been able to hit the gas very much because I'm, in traffic and whatnot. So as soon as I get to a straightaway though, I'll let it go a little bit and see if there's a nice little sound difference. So in conclusion, I think it's a little bit louder, not a whole lot. It wasn't a lot of money though, so I can't really complain. I think I'm gonna take the secondary cats off and where the pipe kind of gets squeezed a little bit for the convertible version of the car. I think I'm gonna kind of straight pipe that area just to fully, clear the exhaust. But yeah. That whole ordeal is finished now, and what did I learn? It looks like the primary cats that come on the car are pretty high flow to begin with. There's a little bit of room for improvement, but not a ton. So there you go. I'll catch you guys next time.